to jump?
Pardon?
Do you want to jump?
Jump what?
Jump the bridge?
Yeah. But the car in front's not going quick enough. Oh.
Not hurt at all in this?
No, we also, me, my friend Graham and our friend Jake come along. We all just get out, we're all completely fine, the lorry driver's fine.
Yeah.
The external mirrors the internal.
Well,
in like honeysuckle. And so like in 2012 I was in like the worst Edinburgh show. It was like
Watermelon.
Oh, that might be quite nice.
Watermelon fruit flavours. That doesn't sound too bad.
No.
3, 2, 1.
How bad can it be?
Okay. Now,
Oh.
I realise if you move it around your mat hall.
Oh.
Oh. Listen, we don't have long with you. You're in and out, apparently, today.
Good. I mean, no, that's not. I saw it at the premiere 2 nights ago in Edinburgh, and I hadn't seen it. I saw a rough cut of it, so I got a sense of what it might be, but I didn't know what it was going to be.
Oh, there we go.
My shiny head and your.
no, it's
I've got to live with this view this way.
The pupils exchange is a higher class, and I was in the lower class. I'm younger than you, but it's correct. We haven't done. I didn't want to drink, and my father didn't want us to drink alcohol
No, he
and
didn't.
hunting.
He very
But
much
we didn't stay at home all the time.
No. But did we
so
not?
for example, we went to my can call me boring, but I was very disappointed that you called my parents boring because
No, Boris.
they drove.
Quick, hurry up! Get hairdryer uncut immediately! Your parents are imminent arrival!
Joe, it was quite frightening because people started arriving that we hadn't invited, so it was a load of gate crashers basically, and they started jumping over the fence of the back garden about half 7.
What? Look at you holding the party that everybody wanted to get into back in the day.
I used to be popular, believe it or not. It was a great party. Everyone enjoyed it apart from me.
You're like one of the frat boys and like Porkies.
But it's nice of Boris to bring it up, and thank you, Boris, for that again.
Well, why don't you hold another one of these legendary Dominic parties?
I think times have moved on. I don't think we need to be doing that now.
Well, obviously, I'd imagine it changes.
Yeah.
Now, what would you do now? Just throw keys in a bowl, or how do you work it out?
What, to drive different cars? I mean, however you want to do it. However you want to do it.
Now, Selco, you may be aware, Selco is where the trade go. And they have started sponsoring the sport. Anyway, the other day I was saying, is Selco where the trade go? Like Costco, do like builders get excited at Selco? Like I got excited at Costco when I bought a box of Freddos. No.
There you go. I need to re-record that one. I've already sent it.
Estee Lauder.
Is it part of someone?
I've already sent it.
Have you sent it off there? Is it on the system? Can we listen to it?
Oh no. It is.
Reservation under the name K, 8 o'clock.
I've had on a plane.
And they go, You go, "No, that's not even funny, I do have a reservation.
Yeah, one of the.
You parked, okay, row C, car park 2. I know where I am, seat, I'll take a photo, and then you get on the little shuttle bus. And it was early in the morning, and there's another guy getting on the shuttle bus as well. So I get on the shuttle bus, and it's us, and it's him. And we travelled for about 30 seconds, and he's glancing at me, and then he goes, sorry, did you make a note of where... Please mention me in the podcast. That would be amazing.
Yeah.
And I
Oh, come on.
So now he's probably rolling around on the floor,
Yeah.
giddy,
I tell you where he is right now. He's probably in M&M World in Leicester Square.
As we record this. Yeah, we sent him to M&M World, did you?
Yep.
He basically says, birthday boy Harry Styles celebrates in style with a £6 million paycheck after selling his LA home for a huge...
Oh yeah, I'm always looking on Zoopla.
Do you think it's the fact that it's Harry Styles' ex-home that puts the extra million on?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I was going to say exactly that.
Go.
I think people will want to live in it because it's his.
You tell me what you see in that photograph there. First of all, tell me what it is, because you know the story.
It looks lovely.
So you know the story. The story is Harry Styles sold his house.
It's not good. What do you mean?
It's horrible.
Oh, I see.
It's painful.
Yeah.
It's torture.
But I quite like the torture.
I tell you,
weird.
President Trump talking about torturing people and whatnot. Just make them run. Just make them run. Don't tell you anything after a while. Please. I'm gonna make you run. I'm probably the best person at making people run in the history of people who make people run. So you must go for a run.
What time are you hoping to do the marathon in, Pip? Have you got a time you hope?
No, well, I'd like to do it in 5 hours.
But most of all, Winnie the Pooh's got tubby little cubby all stuffed with fluff. What's this? It gets a bit weird. No, it's Winnie the Pooh. No, willy-nilly silly old bear. Willy-nilly silly old bear. It's got
hello, Winnie the Pooh. I come to you inside my stuffing area.
To them to put more weight on because they'll get more prizes.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that.
I mean, I'm not sure.
What do pounds make? Prizes!
Yeah.
prizes.
Loads of pies.
Prizes! Go. Look at us. You know what I've just had for breakfast? Poached egg, avocado, and smoked salmon.
Well, I mean, I can't consider it. It's a, you know,
But it's
normal Big Brother. I don't know.
it's bizarre.
But hang on, what do you mean? You don't.
Andy Chuck.
I'm here today to ask for £11,000 for 35% of my business. I came up with the idea for soft roll after having a dicky tummy.
This is making me anxious just talking about it.
Don't you worry. London's a very flat marathon.
And then eat the bottom bit separately.
Oh,
You idiot.
can't get all that in your mouth in one go.
What's that? What are you doing that with your fingers? Carl, what's nowhere near that big? It's about the same size as a small man's thumb. It was literally, they were so tiny you could fit a basket of them in Donald Trump's palm.
Really grown up.
What did it do? So it told you to then call a number?
No, it would display like a text message, scrolled across.
It is warm and it's
Oh, your belt's drooping, love.
yeah, it's a little bit big for me.
Oh, good. Well, that's good, because there's nothing on you. How are you?
I'm really good. How are you?
I'm really well.
Oh, what are you? Big 7-0?
All right, seriously. Are you, Dave, what are you doing?